7 massive upgrades are coming to the 2027 GMC Sierra 1500 that make it worth waiting for instead of buying today's truck. General Motors is about to unleash the biggest overhaul of their full-size pickup in nearly a decade, and the changes are so significant that early buyers might want to hold off on their purchase. The current Sierra 1500 has been around since 2019, making it the oldest design among the Big Three's full-size offerings, older than both the Ford F-150 and Ram 1500. But that's all changing in 2027 with what GM calls a complete ground-up redesign. GM CEO Mary Barra confirmed in the company's Q4 2025 earnings report that both Chevrolet and GMC will reveal their new Silverado and Sierra this year, with production starting in late 2026 and trucks hitting dealerships by fall 2026. This isn't just a refresh or minor update. Everything from the powertrains to the interior design to the underlying platform gets redesigned for 2027. When you see what's coming, you'll understand why waiting might be the smartest move you can make. The first huge reason centers on all a new Generation 6 V8 engines. The most significant change under the hood is GM's brand new 6th generation small block V8 engines, replacing the current Ecotec 3-engine family. Here's what makes this so important. General Motors just invested nearly $2 billion across multiple plants to build these engines. You don't spend $888 million on the Tonawanda plant, $579 million on Flint engine operations, and hundreds of millions more across Bay City, Rochester, and Defiance if you're planning to walk away from gasoline power. The current 5.3-liter V8 produces 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, while the larger 6.2-liter delivers 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet. The new 6th generation engines are expected to come in 5.7-liter and 6.6-liter displacements, delivering notable improvements in both performance and efficiency, including a 10% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions compared to current models. These engines will pair with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission and feature dynamic fuel management cylinder deactivation technology. Sources familiar with the development tell GM Authority that the TurboMax engine gets a significant boost in power and torque for the next generation trucks. GM says they can reduce fuel consumption and emissions through new combustion and thermal management innovations while actually increasing power output. This represents the biggest leap forward in GM's V8 technology in over a decade. The second huge reason brings us to the plug-in hybrid option. For the first time in the Sierra's history, the 2027 model is expected to offer a plug-in hybrid powertrain option. This isn't about going full electric, it's about giving truck buyers the best of both worlds. You get the instant torque and efficiency of electric motors combined with the range and capability of gasoline power. This supports GM's strategy to reintroduce plug-in hybrid options to their North American lineup after focusing heavily on pure electric vehicles. The timing makes perfect sense, as the truck market has shown strong interest in hybrid technology, but many buyers still want the security and convenience of gasoline backup power. A plug-in hybrid Sierra could potentially offer over 400 miles of total range while delivering better fuel economy than any current gasoline-only truck. For fleet buyers and contractors who need maximum uptime, this could be a game changer. The third huge reason involves a completely redesigned interior. Step inside the 2027 Sierra, and you're entering a completely different world. Spy photos reveal a massive leap forward, featuring a dominant landscape-oriented center screen and a redesigned dashboard that cleanly houses the driver's digital instrument cluster. This is a complete departure from the current architecture and represents an entirely new layout philosophy for GMC. But here's what's really interesting. GMC listened to customer complaints about losing physical controls. The new interior brings back real buttons and switches instead of forcing everything onto touchscreens. There are rocker switches below the main display, and most importantly, there's a real volume knob near the steering wheel. The steering wheel itself finally gets thicker, replacing the thin rim design that many drivers complained about. One of the most impactful changes is the transmission selector. The 2027 Sierra uses an electronic column-mounted stalk similar to what's found on the Sierra EV, eliminating the traditional console-mounted shifter entirely. This opens up the space between the front seats in a meaningful way, maximizing storage utility and creating a more premium cabin feel. The influence of the Sierra E5 is obvious throughout the interior, but GMC seems to have taken what worked on the electric truck and adapted it properly for an internal combustion vehicle rather than just copying it over. The fourth huge reason centers on the updated T12 platform. Under the skin, the 2027 Sierra will ride on GM's updated T12 architecture, serving as an evolution of the current T1 platform. This revised foundation promises improvements in unladen ride quality, towing and hauling performance, and overall refinement. Speaking of towing, expect the new Sierra to maintain its impressive towing capacity of up to 13,000 pounds or more, while offering improved payload capacity specifications that will satisfy commercial users. Additional comfort, convenience, and driver assistance features features are also anticipated. Platform updates like this typically address the small, annoying issues that accumulate over a generation's lifespan. Better sound deadening, improved structural rigidity, and enhanced crash protection are all expected benefits of the new architecture. For buyers who plan to keep their truck for many years, starting with the latest platform generation makes significant long-term sense. The fifth huge reason brings us to factory 35-inch tires for off-road models. This might be the most visually dramatic change coming to the 2027 Sierra. GM is reshaping the front bumper and wheel openings to accommodate factory 35-inch tires on off-road models. The specific tire size is 285/75 R18, which technically works out to a 34.8-inch diameter, but most manufacturers would call this a 35-inch tire. GM is testing Sierra AT4X and Silverado ZR2 prototypes with these massive all-terrain tires right now. This change will improve ground clearance, approach angles, and overall off-road performance while addressing one of the biggest criticisms of the outgoing trucks, that they weren't aggressive enough compared to competitors like the Ford F-150 Raptor. This puts the top-tier Sierra models in direct competition with Ford's Raptor lineup while maintaining the refined on-road manners that GMC customers expect. It's the best of both worlds for buyers who want serious off-road capability without sacrificing daily driving comfort. The sixth huge reason involves advanced Multimatic shocks. The new Sierra may feature Multimatic DSSV dampers in the top-tier ZR2 and AT4X models. These aren't just any shocks, they're the same advanced dampers that GM first tested in their Silverado EVZR2 concept off-road racing truck that competed in the 2025 Mint 400 in Nevada. These shocks represent a significant upgrade over current damper technology, providing better control over rough terrain while maintaining comfort on smooth roads. For serious off-road enthusiasts, this kind of suspension technology was previously only available in much more expensive specialty vehicles. The seventh huge reason covers enhanced technology and Super Cruise. The 2027 Sierra will feature Super Cruise 2.0, GM's hands-free highway driving system, along with enhanced features like adaptive trail braking for off-road and difficult terrains. A green label spotted on prototype steering wheels clearly reads diesel, confirming that the 3.0-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine will continue to be available. The technology package includes a head-up display projecting key information directly onto the windshield, comprehensive driver alert packages with lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert, plus a surround view camera system providing a 360-degree view of the truck's surroundings. GMC's pro-grade trailering system will also be enhanced for the new generation, offering advanced trailer management features. The 2027 GMC Sierra 1500 represents the most comprehensive truck redesign in recent memory, with new engines, hybrid options, completely redesigned interiors, larger tires, advanced suspension technology, and cutting-edge driver assistance features. This isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. Current Sierra pricing ranges from around $41,000 to $89,000, and while the redesign will likely bring price increases, the value proposition looks compelling. The base Pro trim is expected to start around $40,000 to $44,000, with mid-level SLE and elevation trims falling between $50,000 and $60,000, and the luxurious Denali and a Denali Ultimate ranging from $70,000 to $85,000. For buyers considering a truck purchase in the next year, the question isn't whether the 2027 Sierra will be better than today's truck, it's whether you can afford to miss out on these 7 massive improvements by buying too early. Sometimes patience really does pay off.